Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this item isn't available in your country Play Store on Android. Now there are actually 4 methods to try and fix this issue, and we're going to try to go and check each one of them to fix this issue right away. So first off, you have change your country or region settings. So if you've moved to a new country, you can update your Google Play country settings by following these steps. Open a browser and visit the Google Pay webpage. Now head to settings and tap edit next to the country/region. From there, create a new payments profile and add a payment method from the new country. All you have to do next is wait for 48 hours for the changes to take effect. Now for the second method, you can reset Google Play Store and associated services. Now sometimes settings or resetting the Play Store and related services can help. You can do this by heading to Settings, Apps, and then Google Play Store, then tap Storage and Clear Data. Now next, do the same for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework. After that, restart your device and check the Play Store again. Next, you can also try using a VPN. So a VPN can help you access apps available in other countries. So you can download and set up a reputable VPN like NordVPN. Next, you can connect to a server in the country where the app is available. Then you can clear the Play Store cache by going to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage, and Clear Cache. Once that's done, open the Play Store and search for the app. Now lastly, you can also sideload the app via an APK. Now if the above methods didn't work, you can sideload the app by finding a trusted source for the APK file of the app that you want. Then download the APK file to your device and enable installation from unknown sources in your device settings. Lastly, go ahead and install the APK file. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.